Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. To make your garden more vibrant with colorful blooms, and to enjoy plants bursting into flowers all around. In today's video, I will reveal a completely natural orchid care formula, using only simple ingredients commonly found in the kitchen that anyone can easily apply. After applying this method for a short time, you will notice orchid roots becoming white, plump, and strong, leaves turning glossy green and thriving. And most importantly, flower buds beginning to elongate, signaling a brilliant blooming season ahead. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. To make this fertilizer, I first use cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder contains many natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, especially cinnamaldehyde, which helps inhibit bacteria and mold while reducing pests that harm the plant. I add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder to a clean glass cup. Then add 500 milliliters of hot water to dilute the solution. Next, stir well so the cinnamon powder dissolves and releases its natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, forming a homogeneous solution ready to be used for plant care. After that, cover the container and let the solution steep for about 1 hour. At the same time, I use a small piece of bread like this. Bread provides carbohydrates and B vitamins, which help supply energy and support healthy root development. I tear the bread into small crumbs so it dissolves more easily, allowing the nutrients to be released faster and absorbed more effectively by the plant. Next, add 500 milliliters of hot water to the cup to dissolve the mixture, helping the nutrients in the bread to be extracted more effectively and making them ready for the plant to absorb. After that, cover the container and let the solution steep for 1 hour. While the solution is steeping, I take the time to lightly water the plants in the garden. This step is very important as it awakens the roots and prepares them to absorb nutrients effectively. The layer of clean water evenly moistens the growing medium, washes away salt residues and dust, and creates a well-ventilated environment for the roots to breathe and carry out metabolic processes. At the same time, the tips of the young roots are activated, causing the roots to expand and enhancing their ability to transport water and nutrients. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the plant absorbs nutrients quickly and evenly, preventing fertilizer shock or root burn. After rinsing, lift the plant out to prepare for applying the organic fertilizer. After 1 hour, we strain out the cinnamon residue. This step is very important because it completely removes any remaining solids and fibers, making the solution smooth and preventing clogging during spraying. At the same time, I also strain out the breadcrumbs along with the cinnamon residue, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid extract ready to be used for the plants. After straining, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution to a suitable concentration for the plants. Now, the organic cinnamon and bread solution is ready to use. Method 1. First, I pour the diluted bread and cinnamon solution into a specialized watering can. Then, gently water evenly around the base of the orchid, allowing the solution to gradually seep into the growing medium and directly reach the roots. The bread provides carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals that help young roots develop strongly, increase vitality, and prepare the plant well for flowering. Cinnamon contains natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, protecting the roots from harmful microorganisms while supporting metabolic processes, resulting in strong roots and glossy green leaves. You should water once a week. Once the plant is healthy, you can reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain stable nutrition. Method 2. Gently pour the prepared bread and cinnamon solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently dab the solution and wipe each leaf of the plant carefully. First, I will clean the leaves of the orchid. The bread and cinnamon solution helps remove dust, mineral deposits, and long-standing residue on the leaves, while also providing carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds. As a result, the orchid leaves regain their glossy appearance, enhance photosynthesis, and maintain stable vitality. You should wipe both sides of the leaves with this solution, so the nutrients can penetrate deeply into the leaf cells. Perform this 1 to 2 times per week to keep the leaves clean, ensure optimal nutrient absorption, and avoid overwatering or damaging the plant. Additionally, I will clean the leaves of the anthurium. Similar to caring for orchids, use a soft cloth or cotton pad lightly soaked with the bread and cinnamon solution, then carefully and gently wipe each side of the anthurium leaves. This helps remove dust, mineral residues, and harmful agents on the leaves while providing natural nutrients from the bread, rich in carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, combined with the natural antibacterial and antifungal properties of cinnamon. This results in healthy, glossy green leaves and improves photosynthesis. Due to the thick and stiff nature of anthurium leaves, make sure to thoroughly wipe both the top and underside so the nutrients are evenly absorbed, enhancing resistance, reducing fungal problems, and promoting sustainable plant growth. For orchids, misting allows the minerals and natural nutrients from the bread, rich in carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, combined with the natural antibacterial and antifungal properties of cinnamon to evenly penetrate all parts of the plant, forming a gentle protective layer against bacteria, mold, and pests. You should mist once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month to maintain long-lasting effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to allow the leaves and roots to absorb the nutrients. If water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungal growth. Once the leaves are completely dry, the plant is well protected, reducing the risk of leaf or tip rot, and stays healthy with thick, glossy green leaves full of vitality. For roses, it also delivers impressive results. When misted, the bread cinnamon solution provides a gentle source of organic nutrients directly to the roots, helping them grow strong and absorb nutrients more effectively. At the same time, the cinnamon supports natural antibacterial and antifungal activity, reducing pests and stimulating even growth of new shoots and leaves, keeping the plant healthy and vigorous. You should mist once a week, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain stable nutrition. For lilies, because of their thick and stiff leaves, there is no need to wipe the leaves after spraying. The nutrients from the bread cinnamon solution will naturally penetrate and nourish the plant effectively. Results after 2 months. For orchids, the transformation is truly noticeable. You can easily see many new roots emerging with smooth, plump green root tips, clear evidence that the plant is absorbing nutrients effectively and recovering well. These healthy root systems form a strong foundation for stable growth in the seasons to come. The orchid leaves turn a deeper green, becoming glossy, thick, and firm. When you touch them, you can feel their strength and elasticity, a sign that the plant is in excellent condition. New shoots emerge strongly from the base, full of vitality. In some plants, new flower spikes begin to appear and grow upward, showing that the orchids have fully recovered and are ready for a vibrant blooming season. For other plants in the garden, such as Anthurium, the results are equally impressive. Leaves are lush, glossy, and naturally shiny, thanks to adequate nutrition and protection from natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds. Many plants begin forming new buds earlier, with flowers that bloom longer, retain their color better, and look fresher due to balanced care from root to leaf. Roses also show remarkable improvement. The plants grow stronger, with robust roots and thick glossy green leaves. The solution enhances resistance, reduces fungal issues, and stimulates new shoots and buds. Blooms are more abundant, brighter in color, longer lasting, and the plants remain healthy and full of life. Each flower that blooms is not only a display of natural beauty, but also a well-deserved reward for the patience and care you give to your garden. This gentle natural care method not only helps orchids thrive, but also brings positive changes to the entire garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more simple yet effective plant care tips in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video on the Great Garden channel.